This is Bear Hill Shire.
I'm Jynell, and I have a drawing kit. And Susan's gonna sit here and watch me draw stuff. So I have here a pencil kit. It has charcoal pencils, it has paper tips for smudging, it has an X-Acto knife in case you need to carve some stuff out. This is sandpaper. We have a series of erasers. In here are going to be sharpeners. We have charcoal sticks, more charcoal sticks, more charcoal sticks, and your basic pencils on a ratio of hardness to softness. I will not be using the charcoal sticks because charcoal makes me very angry. We are going to start by sketching with our softest pencil. Let's see if I can get that camera. No, I can't spin it. There we go. It says, oh my god, it's blurring. AB. Yay, AB. Soft pencils are very nice to start your sketch out. We're going to draw a picture of John. So we're going to start with basic shapes. We'll start with the eyes. John is a very smiley fella. And you get the fancy hair. Alright. That is John. So you just get your basic structure. This is his helmet. So if you want to start doing some shading, I always advise that we shade from lighter to darker because it's always easier to make things darker. So anywhere where you think you want some shadow, lighting, maybe add some details. And then you're going to be going again from lightest to hardest. The harder pencils are going to be giving you a much more dramatic darkening effect. That's one. He just called himself some dinner. It's a bird. Now, if you really want to use charcoal sticks, which I am not a fan of, for one, they're very smeary, but you can use these bars to add shading in the background, if you wish. In this case, we're going to make it a very dark and stormy night. Charcoal is easy to blend. I just like to use my finger to kind of smear that around. Sometimes the erasers can come in effect, and you can erase out shapes if you like. That's the moon. Here we go with some clouds. Make rain streaks. This eraser is actually one of my favorites. It molds like clay. I will not be taking out of the wrapper yet, but as you can see, it is squishy. I love squishy. The squishy eraser helps take out the pencil that might be smudging on your fingers. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have some in-depth pencils here. Pastels are pretty fun. They are a type of colored chalk. I'm going to go ahead and just sharpen one here. Sometimes these pencils can be used to give your drawing some character. Pastels are very grainy. They are not in part of my preference world, but they can be useful. Again, they're smudgy. If you really want to, you can take your smudging pen and use those to smear in the lines. I don't really use pastel pencils much, as I said, but they're fun to play with. We have charcoal sticks. These things are pretty interesting. They break easily. They look like incense sticks. Again, if you really want to add more flavor to your drawing, they will make a mess, I warn you. Kind of smush that around. I'm going to take one of my graphites. This pencil is solid graphite. Pretty fun. And you could use this to finish up any touches to your drawing. Voila, we have a drawing.
This has been a production of Bear Hill Films.